Hello friends, Kalro School Halol presenting this video for standard 10th English medium subject English. Friends, today we are going to discuss about a lesson from the book Footprint Without Feet, chapter number 2, the Thief's Story. Thief's Story. It is a story about two young boy who make friends. There are two young boy, okay, and they were become the friends. And after becoming friends, what happened with them and which kind of the nature of both the person, both the boys, and how they treated with each other, how they make their friendship with each other, and how they handle it. Everything was given in there. Okay, it is very interesting story. Let's see what is there. A young boy makes a friends with Anil. There was a young boy who became the friends of Anil. Anil was the name of the person, so who become the friends with a strange person. Anil trusts him completely and employs him. There was a person, the person who was became the friend of Anil was unemployed person. He doesn't have a work to anything, so he gave the employ to that person. Does the boy bitterly his trust? Does the boy bitterly his trust means broke his trust or not? That is the question of this story. So this is the story regarding the friendship. Very interesting story. Let's see what is the exact description of this lesson. I was still tapped when I met Anil. Here writer was himself a person who was in the story. So he described described as a writer, but in a story he was the friend of Anil, and at that time he was thief means chore. Okay, he was the thief when he met the Anil first time, and though only 15, and his age was about 15 years. I was an experienced and fairly successful hand means he was very experienced person regarding to the thief. Okay, regarding to the activity of the theft, whatever the activity he was doing, regarding his field of theft, he was the master in this activity, he want to say. Anil was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. I approached him means first time when he met to this person Anil, he went for the watching wrestling match. He was about 25. The age of the Anil was 25 and this person was about 15 years. Till here he didn't mention the name of him. Okay, ahead he will mention, but till here he didn't mention the name of him. A tall, here description about the Anil is given, a tall land fellow, and he had looked easygoing. Easygoing means very simple person. He was very simple person, and he went there for a watching the wrestling match. Lean fellow means एकदम दुबला पतला इंसान, that is called lean fellow. So he was very lean fellow and very easy going person means very simple person, and kind of a simple of my purpose. In what was the purpose of that person? Purpose of that person was making the robbed of Anil. Okay, so he was enough for looting or robbing from Anil, from that theft. I hadn't had much luck of late and thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. The writer said here that he has enough luck to match up with the person. Okay, and after that he is able, he might be able means there was a chances to get the confidence of that person. It's bright. You look a bit of a wrestler yourself, I said. Suddenly he went to the Anil and trying to talk something with that person, with the Anil. So he asked him, he told him that you are looking like a wrestler. A little fluttery helps in making friends. Fluttery helps. Fluttery means what? तारीफ करना. ओके, तो little bit flattery if you are doing any person, they will become the friend of yours. He or she will become the friends of yours, because appreciation loves by all the persons. So it is very easy to become the friend is to make the flattery of that person. So do you? He replied to that person, you are also looking like wrestler, which put me off for a moment, because at that time I was rather thin. Which was put me for because means he was in the thought that he was not looking like a wrestler. He knows that. Okay, so why he was because at that time he was very thin, वो बहुत ही दुबला पतला था. That's why he know that whatever the compliment was given by the Anil was not suitable on him. Well, I said modestly, I do wrestle a bit. And after that modestly means बहुत ही नम्रता से, बहुत ही शांति से, I do wrestle means he replied that the thief replied that he was also doing a wrestling, but a little bit. What's your name? Anil asked that unknown or strange fellow that what is his name. That person replied, Hari Singh. What was his name? Hari Singh. I lied. Lied means jhoot bola. Okay, he was lied. I took a new name every month. He gave the introduction about her nature here, that he was putting his new name every month. That kept me ahead of the police of my former employees. Former employees means what? The person who cheated by this fellow, okay, was not identified, is not going to identify just because of his name. That was the reason only that he changed his name every month. And this time, to cheat Anil, he gave his new name Hari Singh. Hari Singh was not his real name. Okay, he made this name to cheat the Anil. After this introduction, Anil talked about a well-oiled wrestler. After that introduction means introduction part was over, they both gave the introduction to each other. Okay, and after that Anil was talking about the well-oiled wrestler. He was talking about the wrestler who were grunting. Grunting means chillana. Okay, lifting means uthana and throwing each other about. Anil was talking about the wrestler and wrestling match with that person whose name was Hari Singh, that he was introduced by himself. I didn't have much to say because he didn't know more about the wrestling. He just went there to rob the Anil, so he didn't know about the wrestling. Okay, but he went there only for rob the Anil. Anil walked away. I followed casually. He followed casually. Anil walked away after finishing the wrestling match, and he went away, or he walked away, and that person was followed Anil. Hello again, he said. He said hello again. I gave him my most appealing smile. Most appealing smile means best of the best. He gave whatever the best smile he has, he was given to the Anil. I want to work for you, I said. That person whose name was Hari Singh was told Anil that he want to work for him, but I can't pay you. Okay, replied by Anil. Anil replied to him that if you want to work for me, it's okay, but I am not able to pay you because I don't have enough money to pay any person or put any person as a servant, because I am not too much able to earn. I thought that over for a minute. For a minute he thought that my entire game is over now. Perhaps I has misjudged my man. Hari Singh thought that he had mistake to pick up the man for robbing. Okay, so he thought that he was misjudged. I asked, can you feed me? Again Hari Singh asked that can you feed me? Feed means थोड़ा बहुत खाना दे सकते हो आप मुझे? ओके, ही वॉज आस्क दैट कैन यू फीड मी? देन Anil अगेन आस्क्ड हिम, ओके, दैट कैन यू कुक? तुम खाना बना सकते हो? कैन यू कुक? आई कैन कुक, आई लीड अगेन. ही लीड अगेन मीन्स झूठ बोलना, लाई, like a past form. This is the past form of the lie. So he told, or he replied that I can cook. In fact, he is not able to cook, but to impress the Anil, he told a lie to the Anil that he can cook. If you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. Anil replied that person, Hari Singh, that if you are able to make the food, or if you are able to cook, that I can feed you. He took me to his room. After completed the conversation, Anil took that person, Hari Singh, to his room. The Jumna Street shop, the Jumna Sweet shop, and told me I could sleep on the balcony. He bring that person, Hari Singh, to his home. Anil bring that person, Hari Singh, to the home and told him that he could sleep into the balcony. But the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible, because Anil gave it to stray dog and told me to be off. Whenever this person, Hari Singh, made the cook for the Anil, after eating that food, it was very terrible. इतना खराब खाना बनाता है. terrible means बहुत ही भयानक, ओके, खराब. The food was totally terrible, and Anil gave that food to the stray dog, गली के कुत्ते को दे दिया, and told him no need to make food for me, okay, after that. But I just hang around smiling in my most appealing way, and he couldn't help laughing. After replying this kind of the replying by the Anil, Hari Singh make a smile on his face, and after seeing the smile on the face of Hari Singh, Anil was just laughed, because Anil know that he told lie, that he is able to make the food. Later he patted me on the head and said, never mind. Because Hari Singh was small in the age, because Anil was 25 years old and Hari Singh was 15 years old. Okay, then Hari Singh was 10 years small, okay, in the age from the Anil. So Anil treated Hari Singh as his little brother, and he patted his head and told, no need to worry. He would teach me to cook. He promised me to teach me the cook. He also taught me to write my name and said he would soon teach me to write the whole sentence and to add the numbers. After telling that he will teach me how to make the food, he also promised to the Anil that he will also taught Hari Singh to how to write his name, how to make the complete sentence, how to write the complete sentence, and how to add the numbers. So in short, Anil promised Hari Singh to make him literate person. I was grateful. He was become very happy after listening that. I know that once I could write like educated man, there would be no limit what I could achieve. He just because of the poorness, Hari Singh didn't able to get the education in his childhood. So after listening that Anil will teach him about the writing the name, about writing the sentence, about adding the numbers. So he thought that if I will become the educated person, then after I will make money from another way, and I will make the more money from the different way after getting the education. It was quite pleasant working for Anil. So it is with the from that days he thought that it is pleasant to work with the Anil. I made tea in the morning. Hari Singh made the tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day's supplies. Day's supplies means जो भी घर का सामान था वो खरीदने के लिए. Okay, after giving the tea to the Anil, he went to the market and purchasing the whatever the day's supplies for the home. Usually making a profit about rupee a day. I think I know I made a little money this way, but did not seem to mind. Okay. But he did not seem to mind, and for that purchasing the supplies, Anil gave that fellow some rupees, and that from that rupees Hari Singh saved one rupee every day. Okay, and he didn't give that rupee to the Anil, so he thought that I will make the money this type and earn the money and earn the education also. Here you can see in this picture both the friends Hari Singh and Anil were sitting over there. Anil was trying to teach something to the Hari Singh. Hari Singh was in the age of 15 years. You can say 15. You can see the 15 years boy was sitting over there, and 25 years Anil, young age Anil, was also sitting there. He was trying to. They both become the friends, but the intention of the Hari Singh was not good. He came there. He came in the house of the Anil for robbed him, and Anil didn't know the reality of that person. So he considered that person or that fellow as his friend, but in reality he was not his friend. He came there to rob him. What he will do with the Anil ahead? Anil made money by his fleets and starts. Anil made the money by his fleets and start, means he earned the money by any way. He would borrow 1 week. Lend the next. He will borrow means किसी से वो पैसे लेता था. Okay, and after that next week he will return to that money to the person from whom he borrowed that money. He kept worrying about his next check. Next check, but as soon as it arrived, he would go out of the celebrate. Whatever Anil earned, he was not saving that money. He was just using that money, and he was just celebrating that money, but he didn't save that money. It seems to write for a magazine, a queer way to make a living. He was writer. After that, Hari Singh know that he was writing for some magazine. Okay, some magazines. So for the money for his livelihood was coming from his writing. One evening he came home with a small bundle of notes. There is one incident is given there. On the one evening, Anil came to the home with a small bundle of notes, saying he had just sold a book to a publisher. He told to Hari Singh that he sold some book to the publisher. At night I show him a thug of money under the mattress. He show, mattress means उसकी जो पथारी होती है, जो सोने की जगह होती है, वो गद्दा जिसको हम कहते हैं. ओके, तो on that day he thought that he put that money under his mattress. Hari Singh show that. Hari Singh observe everything. What was the intention of Hari Singh? The intention of the Hari Singh was to rob the Anil, and Anil thought he was his friend only. I had been working for Anil for almost a month. Hari Singh was living and working for the Anil almost a month. Apart from cheating on the shopping, he had done anything in my line of work. He was living with the Anil. He was doing the whole work of the Anil, whole household work for the Anil, and he was cheating into on the shopping because Anil gave the money for the shopping. He saved the money from that and didn't give back to the Anil. So this kind of the cheating he was done with the Anil, and he hadn't gave that money to the Anil. So he thought that he was too much working for the Anil in a little bit money. I had every opportunity for doing so. Anil had given me a key to the door and I could come and go as I pleased. He was the most trusting person I had ever met. He was the most trusting person. Anil was the most trusting person to whom Hari Singh ever met in his entire life. He didn't meet the person like the Anil as trustable person because he was considered by Anil as a friend. Okay, and Anil was trying to help the Hari Singh as much as possible in education, in every way. So he thought that he was completely trust on him. And that is why it is so difficult to rob him. If any person is trust on you and your intention was to rob that person, and you know that that person is too much trust on you, so in your heart there will be a one side soft corner will be there for the soft person, that I couldn't do this kind of thing with that person to whom trust on me. Okay, it's easy to rob a greedy man. If any person is greedy, you can easily cheat him or rob him. But if a honest person is trusting on you, so this is make the difficulty in the mind of any person to rob that fellow, because he can afford to be robbed. Greedy person easily can rob because he is easily afford to be robbed, but it is difficult to rob a careless man. It is difficult to rob a careless man. Anil was careless person. Okay, sometime he doesn't even notice he is being robbed, and what takes all the pleasure out of the work. So it is very difficult for the Hari Singh to rob the Anil in this situation. Well, it's time. I did some real work. It's time to the time came of his work, because Hari Singh came here for rob the Anil, and Anil has a bundle of notes. On that night there was an opportunity to rob the Anil and went from the place. I told myself, I am out of practice, and if I don't take the money, he will only waste on his friends. After all, he doesn't even pay me. Here Hari Singh thought that if he didn't rob the Anil, if he didn't get the money from the Anil, he wasted his all entire money behind his friends. He didn't save it or didn't give it to me. Okay, so he was made the confirmed decision in his mind that he was going to rob the Anil that night only, and went from the place in which they both were living. Can Hari Singh rob the Anil? Can he broke the trust of the Anil? What will happen? That everything we will see in our next video, next explanation. Till here, whatever I explain, I hope that you all guys can understand what is the matter, what is the exact theme of this lesson. Okay, in our next video we will discuss about the remaining story of this lesson. Okay, bye.